Hello everyone, this episode features the Rollable TV and 3 more technologies. Number 1. LG Rollable TV. Meet the world's first Rollable OLED TV by LG. The LG Signature OLED TV R will be released this year to offer you a cinematic experience right at home. Rise the 65-inch 4K display with the touch of a button, or let it drop back into a piece of standalone art. It has a built-in Dolby Atmos soundbar audio, and the panel is compact with just 3mm thickness. Now you can convert any room into a home cinema. Number 2. Road Paving Machine. Meet the Road Printer Machine. The monster road building unit is made by RP Systems and can pave a whole road with the edge finishing at once. Simply load the top bucket with hand-arranged bricks and it will align, then pave up to 6-meter wide roads. The machine works by rolling backwards after it's loaded, and gravity flawlessly places the bricks flat on surface. Road Printer can pave up to 500 square meters of bricks in a day and costs around $80,000 a unit. Number 3. Electronic Bike Kit. This e-bike kit turns your bike into an electronic hybrid, and it can be installed or detached in just seconds. It's called Ruby X and it's a motorized roller that gives you a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a 30-mile range when utilizing all 3 of its modular battery system. Its cadence wireless sensor gives power automatically, which can also be tracked using the smartphone app. And for your safety, it has a 14 LED rear and brake light. It includes a lock system to prevent it from being stolen, or you can simply take it with you to keep it safe. Number 4. Amphibious Swimming Robot. This robot could save your life in the future. It can swim through water, move across snow and ice, and easily slide through sand. Meet Velox, created by Pliant Energy Systems, an agile swimming robot like you've never seen. It uses undulating fins to travel through anything and can help during hard-to-reach rescue missions, including saving people from ice and deep water. It can also be used to take medical supplies or ammo. Thanks for watching today's episode, my friends. Let me know in the comments which invention you like the most. Give a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.